In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with WhatsApp. We'll walk through using Slack's apps and workflows area to find a WhatsApp connector and add it to your workspace. I'll keep it straightforward and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open Slack and look at the left sidebar. Click on Admin, then choose Apps and Workflows. This is where all integrations are managed. If you don't see admin, your account may not have the right permissions, so you might need someone with admin access to complete these steps for your workspace. Inside Apps and Workflows, head to the Recommended Apps section. This is a curated list that highlights reliable tools that work well with Slack. It's a helpful starting point because it surfaces integrations that are commonly used and maintained, which can save you from digging through a long catalog. Next, use the search bar and type WhatsApp. You'll see options for WhatsApp connector integrations. These connectors act as a bridge between Slack and WhatsApp, so messages can flow where you need them. Take a moment to open an option and read its overview. Look at what it does, which Slack features it connects to, and any notes about usage limits or pricing. This quick review helps you pick a connector that fits your needs. When you're ready, select a WhatsApp connector integration and add it to your Slack workspace. Click the button to add or install the app, and if you're prompted to choose a workspace or channel, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely be asked to approve certain permissions so the connector can send and receive messages on your behalf in Slack. Review those permissions and confirm to continue. After that, you'll be guided to log in or create an account for the selected integration app. Simply follow the prompts from the provider to get set up. The app may walk you through a brief onboarding flow to finish connecting Slack and WhatsApp. Just keep following the instructions on screen until you see a confirmation that the connection is active. And that's it. To recap, you clicked Admin, opened Apps and Workflows, visited Recommended Apps, searched for WhatsApp, selected a WhatsApp connector integration, added it to your Slack workspace, and then logged in or created an account for that integration. Once the connector confirms everything is linked, you're ready to use Slack with WhatsApp through your chosen app. If anything looks off, revisit the integrations page and check its settings or help resources.